All right, guys, so we're back again for another episode of What You Talking About. This is Ryan Johnson, and boy, do I have an amazing timepiece to show you. It's from Victorinox Swiss Army. It's from the AirBoss collection. You guys are gonna love it. It's a fantastic watch. See you guys on the flip side. We're gonna look and really examine this timepiece. Don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel. All right, and here we are with the Victorinox Swiss Army AirBoss. Now, this is an amazing watch for many reasons, and I guess to start with, you know, it's pretty much all black, but it's not that shiny all black. This watch is completely matte finished, and the finishing is done so well that when you look at it, it almost looks like it's soft. It's almost like velvet when it gives you that feeling, you know, because of how well this watch is actually finished. So this one has a 42 millimeter case diameter, a 15 millimeter case thickness, and like I said before, it's black iron-plated stainless steel. We have prominent chronograph pushers at 2 and 4. We have a push-pull crown here that's also quite prominent too. This watch features sapphire crystal here, which is super hard. It's not going to scratch, so it's going to, you know, you're going to maintain the beauty of your watch for years and years to come. Now, the bracelet itself, excellent looking bracelet, you know, has that beautiful triple deployment clasp. Just gonna try to pop it open here. This is a safety clasp as well. On top of that, exhibition case back. And that's showing off the ETA Valjoux 7750 movement, which features a 40-hour power reserve. And to top it off, this watch features a power reserve of a water resistance of 100 meters. Now we have the chronograph counters here at 12 and 6, and the date aperture there at 3 o'clock. Yep, very beautiful watch. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like on my wrist now. All right, so here we are with this Victorinox AirBoss, and it's on my wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist, so you guys can see what a 42 millimeter watch looks like on my wrist. Just gonna turn it over. Let's see how the bracelet falls. Very comfortable. I have to say, this is definitely one of my favorite watches from Victorinox Swiss Army. It's a beautiful piece. Now remember, head on over to mygiftstop.com, where you guys are going to find what I can only call an amazing deal on this timepiece. Such a fantastic deal. Just follow the link. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And I'm going to see you guys on the next episode of What You Talking About.